Good morning, y'all, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So this morning is, y'all, I go back to work today, bro. But I'm gonna start the day off right, and my trainer got on my head yesterday, so I said I'm gonna go back training today. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. But right now, y'all, I want to try my meal replacement Shake Up Cafe shake. So I told y'all, I explained to y'all who I got these from in one of these vlogs. But yeah, my camera about to die, so I gotta hurry up and speed this up. But it basically says, place 4 to 5 ice cubes in the blender. I got a whole cup. And that should be about enough. And then it says, place this in the blender. Ooh, it smells good. I hope it tastes like it smells, because it smells good. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. Ooh. And then it says, place 1 cup of water in blender and blend for 1.5 minutes. So, yes, I'm gonna be head ass and measure my cup of water. Place 1 cup of water in blender, okay. And I had to plug my blender up over. Do I have to? I'm gonna bring it over here. Hold on, y'all. Oh, I don't want my ice to melt. We just gonna I hate when I'm scrambling. That's how I feel. We're gonna plug it right. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Let me pour it in my Yeti cup. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. Let's see. It says place 1 scoop of toppings on bottom, pour, shake, and then add additional. So my toppings is over here. I don't want to add too many because I got 14 packs. So I'm gonna have to do like slight, like, it smells like Fruit Loops. Boom, that's my slight. Now I'm gonna cover the bottom. Okay, bam. Oh, I should make an Instagram of me doing this for aesthetics. Everything about to die. My camera about to die. My phone about to die. I hate how you gotta do all of this to go to the store. Let me put it like this. You know, gotta get aesthetics going. Where my Monday tab at? Oh, it's not Monday. It's Wednesday. Whatever. Wednesday, December. Oh, I'm gonna make it a boomerang. Oh, wait. Come on, nigga, pour. Do I need to mix it somehow? Like, it won't come out. Why is not? It's not coming out the thing. Ew, it sounds nasty. I'ma just make a... There. I'm gonna scoop it out. Hold on, let me taste it. Oh, it tastes good. It tastes like cake mix, but I think I need to mix it some more. Definitely need to mix it some more. It tastes good though, y'all. Oh yes, finally a meal replacement shake. I can actually shake I can actually mess with, bro. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Really excited. Me good. It tastes like cake batter, y'all. I'm in love already. Yeah. 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 Oh, it's lit. It's so good. Wow. The Lord must really want me to get fine, for real. My middle straw. It's like, I put my blender on smoothie. Yeah. It is lit. I think I'm gonna mix it a little bit longer next time. But that's the hit right there. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Okay, y'all. So, wow, I'm glad it tastes good, because I would have been thoroughly disappointed. Thoroughly. But let me clean up my mess I just made, and I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna mess with y'all. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, quick life update. So apparently, I don't even know why would you. I tried to what did I try to do? What are you trying to say? Okay, so I tried to pay my card online like I always do. And because, thank the Lord, my card note falls on the same week I get paid. So I got paid, tried to pay my card note online, and it was like, this account is not eligible for online payments. I always make online, like however long I've been having my car, I make online payments. So I'm confusion. Why can I not make online payments? So you know what? I was online for an hour. I was online for an hour. And I was just like, you know what? I'm tired of playing with you. So I'm just going to come, do it the old-fashioned way, get a cashier's check, mail it off, and that's just going to be it. Like, get a cashier's check, mail it off, and then I lost my debit card, so I can just get my debit card. But thank the Lord, thank you, Jesus, that I can get a debit card through the drive-thru. So I'm finna fill out this paper so I can do all that, and then I'll come back and talk to y'all.
Kids got more than that little shit under his bed. These girls get involved. Talk out tonight.